Lecture 4. The Power of Budgeting. How to control your money instead of it controlling you. Module 2. Mastering Money Management. Have you ever felt like your money disappears the moment you get paid? You're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances, constantly wondering where their hard-earned money goes. But here's the truth: without a plan, money controls you. With a budget, you control your money and decide exactly where it goes. It's not about restriction. It's about financial freedom and peace of mind. A budget isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about having a plan for your money. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you spend wisely, save smartly, and grow your wealth over time. The richest people in the world don't just earn money, they manage it effectively. And the first step to financial success? Knowing exactly where your money is going. So why do so many people live paycheck to paycheck? The answer is simple: no financial plan. Without a budget, people tend to overspend, fall into debt, and fail to save for emergencies. Did you know that nearly 60% of people couldn't handle an unexpected $1,000 expense? That's because they spend first and think later. But when you take control of your spending, you take control of your future. Did you know that Warren Buffett bought his first stock at age 11 and still lived in the same modest house he bought in 1958? Most people assume that billionaires spend lavishly, but the wealthiest people are often the best budgeters. Buffett, one of the world's richest investors, is famous for his frugality, driving an old car, eating cheap breakfasts, and living in the same home for over 60 years. His philosophy? Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This is the secret to financial success. Budgeting isn't about limiting your life. It's about prioritizing wealth building over unnecessary spending. When you have a budget, everything changes. Suddenly, you have control over your money instead of it controlling you. You'll be able to save and invest consistently, reduce financial stress and anxiety, make smarter money decisions. Instead of wondering where your money went, you'll know exactly where it's going, and you'll be building a stronger financial future. Wealthy people don't leave their finances to chance. They follow simple yet powerful budgeting strategies. Track your income and expenses. Prioritize needs over wants. Automate your savings and investments. Stick to the plan. Your future self will thank you. Budgeting isn't about making your life harder. It's about making your future better, easier, and financially secure. Start today and take control of your money before it controls you.
If you enjoyed this video, show some support by hitting like, tapping the bell, and subscribing so you never miss our latest content on financial freedom and wealth growth. Let's grow together. Your one click makes a big impact and helps us create even more for you.